Hey Bob, good morning. I wanted to look over your website real quick and show you a couple things that I thought may help you rank better on Google. First off, you have a really nice website. I really like the look and feel of it. Tell you've put a lot of work behind it. So I was wondering, okay, why aren't you ranking in Google right now? It looks like you're on page 3 for Denton Roofer. So I took your URL and put it in our tool to see what I could find about your title tag, meta description, and H1 tag, see what they look like. So for your title tag, roofing contractor in Denton, Texas, that's pretty decent. Honestly, I would make it a little bit shorter and have the entire name of your company after this, after a pipe or something like that. With meta description, everything looks good there. H1. Just like it says, it's got too many H1 tags, and the H1 basically tells Google, hey, this is what my site's about. So if somebody Googles this, bring up my site. And right now you have several H1 tags for Dinello, I'm sorry if I butcher that, contracting. Now, if somebody Googled that, then you would come up number 1, guaranteed. But I think what you need to do, what I would suggest, is take this down to one H1 tag, and that H1 tag should be Denton Roofer or Denton Roofing Contractor, something like that. And that gives Google a very clear idea of exactly what you're doing, and if somebody Googles that, there's a much higher probability of your website coming up, in a lot higher rankings on Google. One other trick I was going to show you is, as far as seeing where you rank, you're right here. And this is on page 3 right now of Google. So to see where you rank truly, you need to go to Chrome, Explorer, wherever. And if you open a regular window, like a Google Chrome window, if you use that and continually look up your name, Google's smart, and they'll know, hey, this person searches for this a lot. I'm going to rank this higher because I know they want to go to this site. So it'll artificially move your ranking up if you just use a normal Google Chrome window. You need to use an incognito window. That's a window that doesn't use your search history, and it would be a true indicator of what somebody would see if they Googled Denton Roofer anywhere in Denton without a history of your company in particular or any other company. So that's what I did, open an incognito window, and you were on page 3. So I don't know if you know this, but 96% of all the clicks go on page 1. So if you're on page 1, it's very powerful, and that's when your website is really a good marketing tool. And 80% of the clicks go on the top 3 organic sites. So if we go, bear with me real quick, if we go back to 1. So these 3 would get most of the clicks. Honestly, they probably wouldn't go to BBB, they'd probably go to this guy. Here, Home Advisor, and then this guy. But it's very doable to get you up there. I know how to do it, and I've done it before. Another good thing would be to get you in this map pack. When people can see your location here, see that you're local, that builds trust, and people like working with people in the map pack as well. So if you're interested, that's something else I can help with. And that's about it. That's all I got. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. I'll give you a call tomorrow and follow up on it and see what you think. Hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.